Good afternoon, everybody. As you can see, that's right here. Somebody's getting ready to work on some tires, or a tire at least. That somebody would be me. There sits the motorcycle with the front wheel off. You can't tell it, but yeah. Let's look at this tire. It needed to be replaced back when I got it, but if you look real close, it has some dry rotting going on. There's some other places that are worse than that, but look at that right there. There to focus. Right there. And there's some thin crap in it. Without really baloney skins, man. I even noticed on the side, like right there, sidewall. Pretty sure. Yeah. Pretty sure that's cracked right there. Not just from, but look right here. It's a mint tire. Nice. But yeah, I sent my wife to the store to pick up some things I needed. Alright, there's the worst spot on the tire, I do believe. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Need to find me some wheel weights like that right there too. Be a lot better than the stick-on type, I think. And yeah, she's gonna be a blast. Look right there. Better view of that, but yeah, that's what I'm working on, or going to be working on. I'm just sitting here killing time. I got a lot of stuff to do. I gotta finish mowing the neighbor's yard, starting on that Sunday, and I've got some classes that I gotta do for work. I'm behind on them. So far behind, I'm about to get rode up on them. I gotta get them done, but I'm hoping to have my tires done. I am putting the same tires, or the same brand, same size, back on there, which are Dunlop K555Fs. And this front tire is a 120/80 17. It's exactly what I got in there to put back on it. So anyway, I probably won't be filming the actual tire replacement, but you get that big honking thing. They say to mount this on a pallet or to the concrete. Unfortunately, as much as much as I'd like to mount it right there, the old lady wouldn't like it. So anyways, I'll end it right here, and I'll catch you guys later.